Now question number 6. Name the 4 kinds of movable joints. Write one line about each. The answer: 4 kinds of movable joints are: first, hinge joint. This joint allows movement only one direction. For example, joint in knees, elbows, fingers, etc. Second is ball and socket joint. This joint allows maximum movement in all directions. For example, joints in shoulder and hips. Third point, pivot joint. This joint allows movement sideways, up and down. For example, the joint present in the neck. Number 4 is gliding joint. It allows bones to slide over each other. For example, joint present in the ankle and the wrist. Then the next question is question number 7. What is a bone? A bone is the substance that forms the skeleton of the body. It is made up of calcium and phosphorus. Next is the hot questions. Question number 1. What would happen if your backbone was made of one long bone only? If there is only one long bone in the backbone, if it is not made up of 33 small bones, then what would happen in your body? Well, the answer will be, if our backbone would have only one long bone, then we would not be able to bend, twist and turn. Second hot question is, if someone hits you on your belly, it hurts you badly, but a similar blow on your chest does not hurt so much. Explain why. The answer: this is so because in the stomach the internal organs are not protected by any bones, while the chest part is protected by the rib cage, so it hurts more on belly. Because we know that in the chest part there is a rib cage. Last two pairs of the bones in the rib cage, they are not joined to the chest bone. They are present on the side, but they are not present in the middle part. The middle part is the abdomen or the stomach, where there are no bones present. So when somebody hurt you on your belly, it hurts more than on the chest. So this is it, students. Today you will write down all these questions in your notebook, and your homework is to complete your notebooks and learn chapter number 2 with their exercise as well as the question answers.